There are many du'as regarding the Hajj and what to do if you cannot remember all of them. Well, if you cannot remember all the du'as that you need to know for the Hajj, at least learn most of them or some of them. Not very hard to learn. And if you can't do that, now we have those little booklets. You can use them, or perhaps your cell phone has got something which you can use for your dua and to remember the rites of the Hajj. Ideally, you should remember them or learn them or memorize them before you go. But over there also, if you need to look up a book or a booklet or something, it's perfectly fine. But do remember one thing. During the Hajj or any time, when making a dua, remember that dua is something which is about calling out to Allah, not just about reading from a book. So while you read from the book even, remember that the real purpose is to call out to Him. The real purpose is to communicate with Him, not just to read from the book. May Allah accept your duas.